Hey everybody, I hope you're having a good day today. We are going to be talking about my 2009 4th gen Dodge Ram 5.7. I've had it for a year now. It's been awesome, but we're going to talk about all the stuff I've done to it. As you guys know, if you're subscribed to the channel, pretty much everything I've done to it is on the channel. If you see anything you want to check out, there's most likely a video. So this is my 09 Hemi, built for the off-road side, not really the street side, as I've seen a lot of builds for. So yeah, we're gonna start from the front and just work our way back. So the first thing I want to go over is my front bumper. I get a lot of questions about this front bumper, and it's probably just because it's so unique. Like, I don't see many front bumpers like this, just me in this area. But yeah, a lot of you guys ask. So the answer is, I got a video on it, so you can watch that. But how I did it was this here, this part to there. You can see this is all one. This is how I bought it. This wasn't there. This wasn't here. None of this was, that was added on. The stinger was added on. So it was off at 2,500, and it was meant to go through the stock bumper, because they have that hole, right? So it was meant to actually not be its own bumper. It was just the add-on for the lights. But I ended up just taking my bumper off and adding some like tow hooks and some lights, and it's been awesome. The amount of clearance I've gained from removing the stock bumper is unreal. Like, this thing has so much clearance up front now. That is one of my favorite mods I've done to this thing. Moving on to the grill, I picked this grill up for 70 bucks on eBay like a long time ago. So I know it's gone up in price by a decent amount, but yeah, I love this grill. I love those lights at night. It looks so cool. But yeah, the front of this truck does look really aggressive, and I love that with all the stuff I've done to it. So the next thing is, these are my stock headlights. I just put them in the oven and I painted them black. That was a really easy mod that totally changed the front of this thing. And I have a video on that too. So that's kind of the front here. Moving along the side, we got our Fender Flares. They're just the standard like pocket style rivet, whatever you want to call it. We got our Hemi badge, Canada flag sticker. We got a short stub antenna, just falling off, so that was good, I grabbed it. Now onto the wheels. Yeah, so my wheel setup, I'm just rocking 17-inch off-road Steelies on 33s by 1250s on Conforcer CF3000 cheap mud tires. They're awesome, but when you're ripping, they do cause a lot of vibration because they're hard to balance. For me, I can live with it. It was 1,500 bucks for this wheel setup, all brand new. Not too bad compared to, like, usually it's around $2 for these big behemoths. Okay, moving down the side, we got our hooks for our limb risers on the hood. We got the black trim that I painted with bed liner. They're a bit beat down there. We got a light bar. I bought these off eBay, and then this was a light bar. Dawson bought me this light bar like 2 years ago. I've ran it on all my trucks and it's still working. It's a 50 or 55 inch, I'm not sure, but it's curved and it's going to non-curved brackets. So it's been on there for a long time, so it's still working. To the back, the same thing. The Fender Flares, wheels, and I actually did the bed chop. Normal bed would be riding around here. I actually cut it off because it was rusty. I just wanted like this style. It looks good. I wasn't sure if I liked it at first, but now I do. It's pretty cool and pretty unique. You don't see any Rams with a chopped bed. Okay, so my exhaust setup, all I'm doing is I'm just rocking a muffler and resonator delete. Ran 3-inch back from there, and I got a bully tip on the back. It looks pretty cool actually. Yeah, I raised it up since the last video you saw the Ram, so it looks way better. Now we're at the back. We got these taillight covers that I made. It was pretty easy. You just got to bend this stuff and weld it, and yeah, I mean, those aren't bad. Pretty cool mod. I like the look of them, and they've definitely saved my lights from scratches and stuff. We got our high clearance bumper. This is something that I just sent. I had no clue what I was doing, but I actually love how it came out. Like, the back of this thing is so unique. You never see any Rams like this, unless it's that bought like bumper that goes under, but I haven't yet to see one this like this. You can make it better for sure. And we just got the hitch there, just came with it. And then if we pop up, we got our rack. I bought this rack for 200 bucks. Trying to go to the overland style, and it worked really well. We got the spare, we got running boards, we got the shovel, we got the axe, we got our limb risers, they just swing to the front. And we got our high lift jack. Just got a fire extinguisher, tow strap. Got a toolbox with all my spare fluids for the beast and recovery gear. Got a hockey stick flagpole. Those are always beauty to have, the full send flag. I got my awning. It took forever to get here. I love that thing though, that thing's awesome. Now I do have a CB radio on this thing. So that's the antenna. And I do have a trumpet, you can see it there in the middle. I also have this guy. This is a cool feature. That was something I bought early in the build and kind of ties in everything. But yeah, that does it for the outside. In terms of the body, like, it is a really unique truck. And like, I love the way it looks. It looks so aggressive. Yeah, now we'll move into the inside. We got our CB radio. It's actually a sick CB radio. I actually love it. It's really small and I got it for like 70 bucks, I think. And we got our light bar switch, our throttle controller. I got a few videos on this guy if you guys want to know more about it. They are worth it, but make sure you check out that other video if you want to see why. I got this single din Kenwood. I never go double din. I don't know. I just like, it would look better, but in terms of like interface and like touchscreen, like I'm not really one to like use all that. So I just like to select Bluetooth and switch through music. That's it. It's a really good deck. Love it. Oh, unlock the guy. In the back, we got a Jbl Amp. And we got a 12-inch Kenwood sub. And this thing sounds so good. It's in a garbage box, but it sounds unreal. I love this truck. Like, I've put my heart and soul into this truck and built it up over the last year and a bit. And I just love this thing. It's taken me everywhere. It's been super reliable. It's terrible on gas, but that's what you get. Miles per gallon. It is a really good truck. I haven't had to do too much to it in terms of running wise, and it's been super loyal. Yeah, guys, that's it. But yeah, if you guys got any questions, like I said, all these parts are in videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, hit us up on Instagram. We'll respond. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. The next video, we're sanding around the trails in the Ranger. If you haven't seen the Ranger, check out that build too. That thing's sexy.